Hey guys, I'm Josh with Metal in Motion, back at you with another video. In our last video last week, I showed you a quick and dirty way of how to determine if you're getting spark and compression on your non-running engine. I want to show you another quick test today to see if you're getting fuel to the spark plug and if the spark plug is firing. Now, both of these tests are very quick to do. This will give you a good idea of where you need to go next to fix your broken engine. So if it's a riding mower that you're going to be starting with a key switch, you need to make sure your brake is depressed, your blades are off, you're sitting on the seat, the machine's in neutral. Okay, choke the machine and then crank it for like 10 seconds without stopping and then go on to the next test. Okay, if it's like a push mower or a blower or something where you're pulling the rope, you want to make sure that the switch is on, or if it's a push mower, make sure the handle up top is squeezed, choke the carburetor or prime the carburetor and pull it 10 times before going on to the next step. Next step that you want to do is take the spark plug out and inspect it. So if the spark plug is wet, either the spark plug is bad or the ignition coil is not firing the spark plug, and that's because the ignition coil could be bad, or that could be because the ground circuit that attaches to the ignition coil could be at fault. Or if the machine is sat out in the weather, there's a chance that it could have got water in the gas and it's diluted the gas to the point where the spark plug is firing but it's not igniting. So double check that you have clean gas in the machine. So if the spark plug is dry, then that tells us a couple things. Either, worst case scenario, our piston rings are shot. There's no compression, and so there's no way for the engine to draw fuel through the carburetor to get fuel into the cylinder. Most likely that's fine unless you have a really old machine. Okay, the more likely culprit is that your carburetor's plugged up, or you have a plugged up fuel line or a fuel filter, or you just don't have enough gas in the gas tank. So make sure that all of those things are good. Put good gas in the tank, pull the fuel line off of the side of the carburetor, make sure you have good flow coming out of the fuel line, and if you do, then chances are you just need to clean and rebuild your carburetor. So this is a super quick, super simple tip. I usually do this test in conjunction with another test, like the test in the previous video that we've seen, the quick and dirty way to check for spark and compression. Check that video out if you haven't already. So anyways, I'm Josh with Metal in Motion. Good luck on your repairs and stay tuned for that next video.